Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Trisha Gupta and today I am doing this Nykaa Pink Sale haul. तो मैंने Nykaa Pink Sale से जो भी लिया है I will tell you about it. So saying that, let's get started. I will start from perfumes because I have 5 perfumes and then मैं आगे makeup में जाऊंगी. So first perfume that I have is a very famous perfume. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's They're covered in roses scent. I will do a separate review about this because it's a very viral talked about perfume. So it's a rose perfume. It smells like a pink rose dipped in like very fine sugar. I will say caster sugar because that looks very fine. And uspe water droplets. It's like very feminine girly scent. And if you like rose scents, you will really like this. It does remind me of Ruabsa in starting, but it grown on me. रूह ऐसा स्मेल करता है बट इन अ वेरी गुड वे. इट्स रोज डन वेल. इट्स अ ड्यूप फॉर जेलिना. दैट्स अ $400 परफ्यूम एंड उसका हाइप बहुत है इन लाइक फॉरेन. लाइक इट्स अ वेरी टॉक्ड अबाउट सेंट एंड इट्स अ ड्यूप फॉर दैट. आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर स्मेल्ड jelina, but personally it's a very good rose scent. I also don't like rose scents that much, but it's rose done well and it's a very feminine scent. It can be a hit and miss because many people hate rose, so it's up to you. I personally feel like it's a very pretty feminine scent. Next, I have this warm and cozy body mist by Victoria's Secret Pink line. इट्स अ वेरी फेमस टॉक्ड अबाउट सेंट. एज सेंट ये बहुत समय से मार्केट में अवेलेबल है एंड इट्स अ वेरी फेमस सेंट. तो आई वॉज लाइक, people claim it smells like warm and cozy, like you will smell like home, warm and cozy, so I have to try it. So it says soft vanilla, toasted coconut, passion fruit, essential oils. It's from their pink line. People say it does smell like vanilla and coconutty. I do get the coconut, I do get the vanilla, but the thing that my nose picks up is the passion fruit. It starting, it's very citrusy. It's sweet. I don't get me wrong. You do get the coconut and vanilla, but in starting इसमें सिर्फ citrus, passion fruit का citrus hit करता है and then it settles down to this sweet coconutty vanilla but with a hint of passion fruit. वो passion fruit मेरे nose and मेरे skin से disappear नहीं होता है. It stays there, but it's a very soft smell. Like, I will say it does smell like, I won't say warm, but it smells cozy. To me it smells cozy and a soft smell, like girl kind of smell, and I quite like it. I was expecting more from this, but I quite like this. Next, I have these 3 perfumes from Nykaa Wanderlust range. It's their new range, and इसमें I think 4 or 5 perfumes निकले थे. I have these 3. I got like 175 का each in this travel size version. So let's review them. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट रिव्यूइंग दिस परफ्यूम्स, देयर इज़ वन प्रॉब्लम. मैं इनका सेपरेट रिव्यू भी करूँगी इन डेप्थ एंड मुझे उसमें भी वो प्रॉब्लम रहेगी तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. इज़ दैट कि या तो इनकी पैकेजिंग ख़राब है, कि लीक होते हैं, या तो इनके शिपमेंट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. बिकॉज मुझे 3 परफ्यूम 3 अलग अलग क्वान्टिटी में मिले हैं. मैंने एक तो रिप्लेस भी किया था. दैट्स वाई मेकिंग दिस वीडियो लेट. मैंने ये वाला, रुकिए मैं इसे बैलेंस सेम हाइट पे कर देती हूँ. ये वाला जो था स्विस वैनिला, मैंने इसे एक्सचेंज भी किया था बिकॉज फर्स्ट बार मैंने हाफ एम्प्टी आया था, लाइक इससे भी ज़्यादा एम्प्टी आया था. एंड आज मुझे इसकी डिलीवरी वापस मिली है एंड इट्स स्टिल एम्प्टी. सोच रहे अभी इतना एम्प्टी है तो फर्स्ट टाइम कितना एम्प्टी आया था, इससे भी ज़्यादा. यू कैन सी द पिंक वन, द ड्रीमिंग इन पेरिस वन, इट्स फुल. दैट्स द ओनली वन आई गॉट फुल. बाकी इसमें भी थोड़ा कम है और इसमें भी कम है. मैंने ये वाला तो अभी तक अप्लाई नहीं किया क्योंकि मैंने रिटर्न किया था. ये आज ही आया है, इट्स दिस एम्प्टी. बाकी मैंने ये दोनों को कैप में एक बार स्प्रे किया है एंड यू कैन सी ये वाला जैसे होना चाहिए था ड्रीमिंग इन पेरिस वन, वैसा ही दोनों को होना चाहिए था. दैट्स द ओनली प्रॉब्लम कि व्हाट द हेक इज़ रॉन्ग विद द पैकेजिंग या शिपमेंट. नायका, I'm just being honest what I get, and I think this is very bad. Whatever the problem is, Nika should fix it. Keeping that aside, let's review the perfume. So I will keep every review short and simple. So Tropical Thai Sunset smells like a very nice summer drink, like cocktail or mocktail, very fancy summery drink. I really like this smell. It's sweet mango soda soda drink kind of vibe. It's very nice. I have to say this mango is done right. I really like this smell. It's like a proper drink smell. नेक्स्ट आई हैव ट्रिमिंग इन पेरिस, बस इसी में मुझे फुल क्वांटिटी मिली है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी स्मेल। इट सेज, मैंने इसका डिब्बा नहीं दिखाया, this is the packaging. It says champagnes and berries, and it does smell like that. It does smell exactly like that, a sweet champagne या soda berry drink. Like you get the strawberry, you get the raspberry type of vibe, red berries, and उसमें champagne या soda mix है. You can imagine a cocktail or mocktail जिसमें bubbles आ रहे हो, very fancy drink जिसमें bubbles आ रहे हो, और ये sweet भी है, it's not like sour भी नहीं है, sweet vibes दे रहा है. It smells like a pink, it's a very girly smell, it smells pink, very pretty pink drink. It's a really nice smell too. लास्टली जो मैंने चेंज भी किया था एंड उसके बाद भी मुझे एम्प्टी मिला है, स्विस वैनिला. दिस इज व्हाट द आउटर पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. स्विस वैनिला सेज वैनिला एंड कैशमेर वुड, एंड आई हैव टू टेल यू इट्स अ ड्यू फॉर बेयर वैनिला. नॉट एग्जैक्टली बेयर वैनिला का थोड़ा स्वीटर वर्जन है. It's very good. I like really love this smell. That's why it's a very big disappointment कि मुझे empty मिल रहा है. It's very good because everyone knows Bare Vanilla is one of the OG scent, and it's an affordable dupe. I really like this. So, to know more about longevity and everything, I will make a separate video because I don't have that much time in this video. So secondly, I will review all the lip products that I have, because next after perfumes I have a lot of lip products, so I'm going to review them next. So next I have this Inside ka mud lipstick in shade 22. I'm not gonna swatch anything on my lips, so I will just show you the swatches in my hand, and this is what it looks like. It's a very muddy, smooth formula, very pretty shade. It's a very nice lipstick for the price point. It's a bit sticky, but not super sticky. I personally think they are were trying to copy like Maybelline Teddy Tint or something. Not sure. Next, I also have one more lipstick from Inside. It's their normal. It's like Inside Professional lipstick, and this is what the shade looks like. It's a very nice nude shade, and the formulation is nice. It's a creamy lipstick, and let me tell you the shade is shade number 24. It's a very creamy formula, and it's also very affordable. I got this lip oil by Insight. It's their new launch, I guess. So it's their hydrating lip oil from Insight Pro Professional, and I have this in this very pretty shade cherries something. It's shade number 6. It's a very pretty reddish kind of shade. One problem that I have with this packaging, every time I try to uh, take this out, थोड़ा सा product गिरता है, and this is what it looks like. It's a gloss, so it's a bit sheer. It's hydrating, it's non-sticky, and this is what the shade looks like. It's a very pretty shade. Should I apply this? Okay, I'm just gonna apply a bit, and it smells very nice. It smells very nice, and I won't say it's very hydrating, but it doesn't dry out your lips. It's a nice product. So it's from Inside. So next I got this lipstick set from Blue Heaven. Let me show you. It's such a good purchase. Look at this. You get 10 lipstick. You get 10 lipstick. I guess 20 rupees का each पड़ता है. इसमें बहुत सारे shades हैं. And from red to pinks to nudes, and it's a very good purchase for the price point. It's very affordable. The formulation is not the creamiest, थोड़ा सा drying formula, but for the price point it's totally nice. I am using Blue Heaven lipstick for a while now, and I really like them. So next I have this lipstick from Maybelline. It's a very viral shade. It's called Nude Nurse. This shade was getting viral for a perfect nudish kind of shade, and it is. Look at the shade. It's very pretty nude shade. Let me swatch it. Just look at this. It's very pretty. These two look kind of same, but on my face they both look very different. And Maybelline lipstick formulations are always very nice, so it's very nice, and this is what it looks like. Now next I will move to makeup. So first I got this Inside ka color corrector in this orange shade. It's for like 120 or something. It's a really nice purchase for that. मैंने एक मेकअप का वीडियो बनाया था जिसमें मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी हाउ इट वर्क्स, यू कैन सी दैट वीडियो. उसमें मैंने सब प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके दिखाए हैं. सो I will say it's a very nice product for color correcting. It's very affordable and pigmented. Next, I got Inside ka lipstick tint, and it's such a good product. It's such a good product. I didn't know कि इतना अच्छा निकलेगा. It's and the packaging is so cute. It's like a popsicle, and ये इतना affordable है और ये इतना easily blendable है, buildable है. It's like not heavy pigment नहीं है इसमें. ये बहुत हैवी पिगमेंट नहीं है, इजीली ब्लेंडेबल, वेरी नेचुरल फिनिश है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. उस वीडियो में मैंने ये भी रिव्यू किया है. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस लिपस्टिक टेंट. आई डोंट नो, ये 99 रुपीज़ का मिला मुझे. ये कौन से ब्रांड का, आई थिंक इट्स अ न्यू ब्रांड. I don't know, but this lipstick tint is very nice. I love the shade. It's like a balmy texture. Really like this. Let me swatch it here. The shade is very pretty, mauvish pink, very pretty mauvish pink, and I really like this for no makeup looks and everything. It's a very pretty color. So next I got this mascara. I just used it for recording this makeup video जो मैंने makeup अभी किया हुआ है. And this mascara, it's also a very nice mascara, affordable mascara, nothing much to it. This foundation from Swiss Beauty, it's a very sheer light coverage foundation. इससे आपका पूरा like face में कुछ acne वैक्ने cover नहीं होगा. It's like a skin tint or something, but it's very good. like 200-300 में आपको इतनी quantity मिल रही है bottle में. It's very good for everyday natural kind of look, kind of foundation. I will say skin tint because it works like that, and it also has vitamin C and niacinamide. Lightweight, water resistant. I don't know about water resistant, but it is lightweight, non creasing. I can't say because मैंने दो ही बार use किया है. It's a very nice product for the price point. This is a due for the Benetton eyebrow in shade, and ये inside से है brow tattoo और in shade grey. ऐसे it's like ब्राउज का mascara kind of thing है ये. You just have to brush it. I बस ग्रे ही अवेलेबल था तो आई गॉट ग्रे, बट आई एम हैप्पी आई गॉट ग्रे कलर बिकॉज लुक उतना मेरे आईब्रो से मैच हो रहा है. तो आई पर्सनली लाइक दिस. Did receive two free gifts from Nykaa. One is this Nykaa ka kajal in shade blue something. I don't know the shade, but it's a deep blue kajal. I'm not gonna apply this on my eyes. I'm just gonna show you this deep blue kajal. थोड़ा सा स्मज होता है बट उतना भी स्मज नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस लैक्मे का सनस्क्रीन फ्री फॉर लाइक गिफ्ट. मिनी साइज है ये. मैंने इसे अभी तक ओपन नहीं किया तो सील्ड, सो आई डोंट नो. एंड एवरी टाइम आई ऑर्डर आई ऑल्सो गेट अ पाउच ऑफ दिस. मतलब मैं ये अलग से ऑर्डर करती हूँ, 50 रुपया या 40 रुपया में आता है ये. एवरी टाइम आई प्लेस एन ऑर्डर आई जस्ट प्लेस order for this tier face wash. Is a hydro boost enzyme powder wash. All you deep cleanse, gently deep clean करता है. all you have to do like warm water में से mix करके अपने फेस पे लगा के. I like to keep it for a while and then remove it, and I really like using this. बट मैं इसका बड़ा साइज नहीं लेती, मैं इसके छोटे छोटे पाउच ही लेती हूँ. सो नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दिस माउथ फ्रेशनर. दिस इज इन कोको कोला वेरिएंट स्प्रे मिंट, and it smells like Coca-Cola bottle में. I got this because I really like spraying these things and I like the taste जो ये छोड़ता है. तो that's about it. Next I got this face mask from Dot and Key. I used it once and I really liked it. You get this pastel green color of face mask and I really like this. It's their pollution and acne defines green clay mask. It's very nice. Next I got this from डॉक्टर शेड्स. मैंने इसे एक दो बार यूज़ किया. इट्स देयर केसर एंड कोजिक एसिड डेली पिगमेंटेशन करेक्टिंग क्रीम. इट्स अ नाइस क्रीम. मैंने दो बार तीन बार यूज़ करके मैं इसे बता नहीं पाऊंगी कि इट वर्क्स और नॉट, बट टिल नाउ मुझे कोई रिएक्शन नहीं हुए हैं. सो असली आई गॉट नेल पेंट्स फ्रॉम नायका. I got four nail paints from Nykaa. I'm not going to do a swatch of them right now, but maybe in future I will make a reel these four shade. I will show you the close up. First I will go lighter to deep shades. So first है 350. This is what the shade looks like. It's a nude beige kind of shade. Next I have this shade. It's 352. It's a pinkish nude shade. Like लाइटर साइड पे ही है, ये भी पिंकिश न्यूड शेड है. Then I have shade number 353, and it's deeper than that pink one. It's a mauvish nail paint. Let me show you. This is like a pink, and this is like the mauvish pinkish tone nail paint. I really like this one. And lastly, I have shade 370. It's a brownish kind of shade. And so that's all I got from this Nykaa पिंक सेल. मुझे और परफ्यूम्स लेने के मन थे बिकॉज बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स एंड विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट पे बहुत अच्छा ऑफर था. बट आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू स्टे ऑन बजट बिकॉज मैंने मिंत्रा से भी कुछ कुछ ऑर्डर किया है, like clothing items. So I was trying to stay on budget, but that's all I got from Nykaa pink sale. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.